Hades.
Fog or fog. Cleaning out my truck. Fuck, I hate doing this. A lot of room back here when the fridge isn't blocking everything. Check out where I shit. Just kidding, I spilled coffee. Cleaning up. Took me 2 hours to clean out that truck. Damn. Bye, truck. Let's get out of here. Bye, Heartland. They didn't give me another charger this time. It's fine. Let's go home. That fucker comes and barks at me all the fucking time. Ducks. Yeah, that dog has snapped at me twice. It's not like it just stays 10 feet away and barks. Sometimes it comes right up to me. Started carrying my knife on these walks. Some people can't control their fucking dogs. Anyhow, I'm done driving trucks. I was gonna say something else, but the dog made me angry. We'll see what happens next.
Kneel before Zod!
Kentucky.
Sister.
No, sir, I didn't like it.